welcome to philviestory, and today I'll be cooking Belacan chicken, the version 2.0. Previously I've shared a Belacan chicken which uses the red fermented tofu, while this time it's just purely Belacan without the fermented tofu. So all you need is add some curry leaves. Curry leaves is just for the flavor and the aroma. If you don't have that, it's okay. Then a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of salt, and then add in garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can always use the minced garlic, roughly about a teaspoon or so. If not, just shake a few dashes of the garlic powder into the chicken, and then also I'll be adding in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and I'll add in cornstarch to make the skin crispy, and cornstarch also will help to tenderize the chicken. Then I'll be using Belacan powder. This is actually the whole cube of Belacan and then toasted and pounded into powder. If you want to know how to do this, you can refer to my old videos by clicking on the link above. I have put a card on that. So once you add in all the marinating ingredients, all you need to do is just mix it around until it's well mixed, and then cover it cover it with a cling wrap, or if you have a cover, just put it on and then pop it into the fridge. You will need to marinate this for at least an hour, or if you want to, you can do it overnight. So after marinating it for a few hours, then I'll heat up a oil deep enough to put all the chicken in. Today I'm using chicken wings, but just now I forgotten to say that it's actually about 6 wings which cut into half, so I have 12, and it just fits my 28 cm pan perfectly. So I'll add in the oil in just to cover the chicken, and then heat it up to 160 Celsius. Then pop in the chicken into the pan and then let it deep fry for about like 10 minutes. The camera is a bit tricky because I cannot find my tripod. I cannot make my camera stand. I guess Klaus might have hidden it somewhere. I just cannot find it, so camera is a bit tricky. So do turn the chicken, flip it once in a while for within the 10 minutes. Then once it's nicely fried in a nice golden brown, actually it's a very nice deep brown color, then it's done. Once the chicken is done frying, just take it up, remove the excess oil, and then serve it. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Mommy, what is that?
Chicken.
It is.
Do you want some?
Yeah.